Hello everyone and welcome to Annual Exhibition Spectrum 2024 and 25. Today I Jit Vitlapara welcome you to SS exhibits of NEPS. My topic is EVM, electronic voting machine, which help us to select one candidate out of so many candidates.
An EVM consists ballot unit, VVPAT, control unit and VVPAT box.
Voter verified paper audit trail. Control unit consists of many things in the EVM such as candidate setting, print, close, etc. Number of things that are displayed on control unit are EVM is on, date and time, serial number of control unit, number of candidates and battery status. Candidate set operation. First we need to open the button on control unit and then press the number of candidate number in ballot unit. After completing of all the candidate setting process, EVM is sealed by the presiding or polling officer with the sign of the polling agent of the political parties that no one can open the control unit. Checking and sealing process of VVPAT. First we need to check VVPAT from inside to ensure that there are no old paper trail left. Then fix all the cables and batteries. Then install the paper roll. After we need to do testing process, a sealing processing help the election commission so that no one can open the EVM. The setup of polling station. First we need to place VVPAT and ballot unit in voting compartment and control unit on the polling officer table.
Now, polling officer press the ballot button so that the ballot unit is ready for voting. While casting the vote, a beep sound is produced and a print slip is shown on the VVPAT so that the voter can ensure his or her vote. At the end of polling officer have to press close button and unplug all the wires so that all the machines are packed in the carrying case. Now, counting process. Before opening any machine, the presiding officer has to confirm unique ID number and check with the registered unique ID number. Now, on the control unit, just open the exterior latch and press the result button and count the number of votes in record book. Also made the start time and end time with records. After completion of counting, seal the control unit in carrying case and seal it again. Thank you. That is our SS exhibition Spectrum for the year 24-25.